hero? Are you someone who's intimidated or frustrated by technology? If so, you are in the right place, my friend. My name is Dori Spencer, aka DSpence, your friendly neighborhood geek, coming at you. As an educator of over 20 years, I've made it my mission to meet each individual on the level they are and take them to the level they need to be. My approach introduces easy to understand explanations that marry the what with the why. Learn the steps, explore the reasons, practice the techniques, and master the concepts. I believe everyone has a superpower that they are meant to share with this world. I don't want technology to be the one thing that ends up holding you back. I help entrepreneurs and creators just like you easily understand technology to confidently grow your vision, create that freedom that you so desperately desire in your life, and leave your lasting legacy. So, join me weekly for new videos that will help you do just that. Gain confidence, grow your vision, and share your superpowers with the world. For more secret superpowers of the Techverse, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single episode in the quest to move you from Tech Zero to Hero. Bye, guys. I'll be talking to you soon.